In this video, I'll guide you through how to add particle effects to Fusion titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever wanted to enhance your text animations with dynamic particle effects, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this eye-catching effect using DaVinci Resolve's powerful Fusion tab. To start off, open up DaVinci Resolve and head over to the Fusion tab. The first thing you'll want to do is add a Text Plus node. You can do this by clicking on the Text Plus icon in the toolbar or by right-clicking in the node area, selecting Add Tool, then Text, and finally Text Plus. This node will be the foundation of your text animation, allowing you to type in the text you want to animate. Next, we need to convert this text into a shape that can be used to generate particles. To accomplish this, you'll add a bitmap node. Once you have your bitmap node in place, connect the output of your Text Plus node into the input of the bitmap node. This step effectively turns your text into a shape that can be used to guide particle emissions. Now, it's time to introduce some particles into the scene. Add a particle emitter node to your composition. This node is responsible for generating the particles that will follow the shape of your text. In the inspector panel of the particle emitter, you'll see a setting called Region. Change this setting to Bitmap. This adjustment tells the particle emitter to use a shape, specifically the shape created by your bitmap node, as the source for emitting particles. Drag your bitmap node into the field next to region to complete this connection. With the particle emitter set up, it's crucial to connect the nodes correctly to see the effect in action. Connect the output of the particle emitter node to a particle render node, and then connect the particle render node to the media out node. This connection ensures that the particles are rendered and visible in your final output. At this point, you should see particles emitting from your text shape. But to really bring this effect to life, you'll want to tweak some settings. In the particle emitter's inspector panel, you'll find options like number, velocity, lifespan, and turbulence. Adjusting these controls will modify how the particles behave. For instance, increasing the number will create more particles, while tweaking the velocity will influence how fast they move. Lifespan determines how long each particle stays visible before disappearing, and turbulence adds random movement to make the effect more natural and dynamic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added particle effects to your Fusion titles in DaVinci Resolve. This simple yet powerful technique can add a professional touch to your projects, making your text animation stand out with a burst of creativity. Feel free to experiment with different settings to create unique effects that suit your style. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.